The oil industry is no stranger to the production of water. American oil wells average close to 8 barrels of water for every barrel of oil. In 2008, Norway saw the production of water exceed 1 billion barrels in the North Sea, and this unwanted production comes at great cost. To further diminish income, the water also has to be disposed of in an appropriate manner. Traditional cement is not a suitable solution to shut off a water-producing zone, as particles will block the screen and form a cake, leaving just the liquid to pass through the screen. Thermoset is the only viable solution. Due to its unique composition, particle-free and thixotropic nature, it will shear through the screen and increase viscosity. This is done without compromising the inner diameter for optimal production and to simplify future interventions. The ability to design the density of Thermoset to be that of the formation pressure means that Thermoset will stay in place and permanently block off water-producing zones.